Hello everyone, this is Jean again from McRes Academy. And in this video, we're continuing our discussion for the age problem. In last video, we introduced the concept of the age problem and also the 3 simple rules for the age problem. Now, this example is going to be a little trickier than the last example. And let's read this example together. Jason is 5 years old and his dad is 33 years old. In how many years' time will his father's age be 3 times Jason's age? Clearly, there are 2 time points involved in this problem. So we're going to first draw a timeline. Let's do a timeline. Present, and somewhere in the future. The question is actually asking you this distance between the present and future, because it's asking you how many years time, right? How many years between now and the future will Jason's father's age be 3 times his age? But we already know that in the present, Jason is 5 and his dad is 33. From these 2 numbers, we can figure out the age difference between Jason and his dad is 33 minus 5 equals 28 years. And that does not change over time. Now, somewhere in the future, we also know that Jason's age would be just 1/3 of his father's age, right? Or his father's age would be 3 times his age. So let's do one box or one block. Let's draw one block here to represent Jason's age. And we'll do, hopefully I'll draw 3 equal size blocks here to represent his dad's age. Okay, and we don't know any of these blocks, but we know that they're all of the same size, right? And another thing that we know from the present is that Jason's dad is 28 years older than Jason, and that 28 years difference does not change, which means these 2 blocks is equal 28 years. And that model becomes simple for us, because now we can just use 28 divided by 2, and that's going to be 14 years. For each of these blocks, we can write 14, 14, 14, and 14. And in that way, we know that Jason is 14 years old in the future, and his dad is 14 plus 14 plus 14, or 14 times 3, 42 years old in the future. So this is Jason's age somewhere in the future. This is dad's age somewhere in the future. And again, the question is not asking how old they will be in the future, but it's asking the distance between now and the future. So one more step, just one more step. Let's scroll down a little bit. And one way to figure out is to use dad's age, right? Dad is 42 in the future and 33 now. So that's 9 years in between. Or we can use Jason's age. Jason will be 14 in the future and he's 5 now. And that should give us the same answer.